Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Senti, and today I'm giving you a step-by-step guide on how to start buying and selling skincare products in Nigeria and actually make money. The skincare industry is booming, and the best part, you don't need millions to start. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Pick a skincare niche. Before you start buying products randomly, pick a niche. Here are a few examples: acne treatment, skin brightening or glow kits, organic or herbal skincare, body scrubs and oils, Korean skincare products. Choosing a niche helps you target the right audience and build a brand faster. Step 2. Find trusted suppliers. This is one of the most important steps. You need suppliers that are affordable, authentic, no fake or diluted products, consistent in stock and delivery. Options include local wholesale markets like trade fair, online vendors on Instagram, Facebook groups, or Gigi, direct importers or platforms like Alibaba for bulk, but be cautious. Bonus tip: always order samples first to test products' quality. Step 3. Register your business. You don't have to register right away, but it builds trust and allows you to open a business bank account, get listed on Google, legally import or ship in bulk. You can register through CAC Nigeria for as low as 10,000 naira to 15,000 naira. Step 4. Create your brand identity. You don't want to just sell creams, you want to build a brand. This includes business name, logo, packaging. You can rebrand popular products with your label. Artistic Instagram page. Branding makes you stand out and look professional. Step 5. Price and profit strategy. When buying wholesale, make sure you add a profit margin that still keeps your price competitive. Example: buy a cream for 2,000 naira, sell for 3,000 naira or 3,500 naira. That's 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira profit on one item. Bundle set also worth great, minus more value equals to more sales. Step 6. Start selling online. The best part, you don't need a physical shop. Use platforms like Instagram for visuals and reels, WhatsApp status for selling to close contacts, TikTok for before and after videos, Jumia or Konga for wider reach. You can even start your own Shopify or Flutterwave store later. Final tips: stay consistent, post content and engage daily. Customer service matters. Respond fast and follow up. Get feedback, ask for reviews and testimonials. Avoid fake products. One bad review can kill your brand. And remember, start small, grow fast, reinvest your profits and scale over time. So that's it guys. Let me know in the comments, are you thinking of starting your skincare business this month? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with someone who needs this, and subscribe for more business tips and hustle hacks. Catch you in the next video. Bye.